Trump Media to launch ETF basket on Made in America assets like XRP. President Donald Trump's media company partners with Crypto.com to introduce a basket ETF containing Made in America assets like XRP. Trump Media and Technology Group, TMTG, has revealed a partnership with leading crypto exchange Crypto.com to launch a series of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, on digital assets and US-centric investments. The partnership, which falls under TMTG's Truth.Fi financial services brand, looks to present investors exposure to a mix of crypto assets and stocks from industries that align with an America-first economic vision. While the official press release highlighted Bitcoin, BTC, and Kronos, CRO among the digital assets included, initial statements from Crypto.com suggested that the ETFs would also feature Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, and XRP. However, the company later deleted this post and replaced it with a more ambiguous statement, mentioning only CRO and other digital assets without naming XRP or the other tokens. A new ETF approach under Trump Media's vision. Notably, TMTG, the parent company of Truth Social, has been expanding beyond social media into fintech. The company's CEO, Devin Nunes, noted that the new ETFs are part of an effort to provide investment options that sync with American economic values. He stressed that the initiative was designed to support high-growth U.S. companies while avoiding what he called political distractions. Crypto.com will help in developing and managing the ETFs, leveraging its broker-dealer arm, Forest Capital US LLC, to handle custody and back-end technology. The funds, once approved, will be accessible to investors in the United States, Europe, and Asia. Did Crypto.com reveal too much about XRP? The brief mention of XRP in Crypto.com's now-deleted announcement has triggered questions within crypto circles, with some ascribing it to regulatory concerns. Despite the SEC dropping its appeal in the Ripple lawsuit, the agency is yet to approve any XRP ETF amid multiple filings. Several firms, including Grayscale, Canary Capital, and WisdomTree, have recently filed for XRP ETFs. Notably, the agency has already acknowledged 19 B4 filings for most of these products, with the XRP community awaiting a decision. Some speculate that Crypto.com's deletion was a deliberate move to avoid drawing regulatory attention before any official filings are made. Amid these speculations, it is important to note that besides XRP, the exchange also chose not to mention other assets like Ethereum and Solana. This ETF launch could mark a major step for TMTG as it enters the investment scene. The company plans to back the funds with up to $250 million from its own reserves, held with Charles Schwab. Alongside the ETFs, TMTG is also introducing separately managed accounts, SMAs. World Liberty Financial, another financial project inspired by President Donald Trump, has also continued to make progress within the crypto scene. Amid its accumulation spree, the project recently partnered with SUI to add the token to its macro reserve. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer: this content is informational and should not be considered financial advice.